next question. Question about modesty and the story of Dinah.
Dina?
Dinah, yeah, the daughter of Yaakov.
Yeah, go ahead.
Imam Loez, we learned that Dinah was an outgoing personality and a more masculine type of curiosity, which are parts of the reasons of the tragedy. I wonder if being outgoing and curious are negative midas for a woman or in general.
Yes. I would ask you, please read the question again because I want to split it in two. I think there is a first part I want to answer. Yeah, go ahead, please.
Okay. So, question about modesty and the story of Dinah.
Mm-hmm.
In Imam Loez, we learned that Dinah was an outgoing personality and a more masculine type for curiosity, which are parts of the reasons of the tragedy.
Okay.
And then he goes, I wonder if being outgoing and curious are negative midas for a woman or in general.
Mm-hmm. So that's a very good question. So for women, it's natural the way I know women that they are always curious what's going on. Like my wife will ask you how this person. I said I don't know, but you started. You say, yeah, I said, but I did not ask how that person. You met that person, yeah. But did you ask? I said I did not ask. Same my mother, like she asked like all of this. They're curious. I have no idea. I did not ask. Like men is very different. So other women as well. I know, like they're curious. So that's the nature. That's the mother in them. You understand? The father, like he's the son, no problem, right? But mother is going to ask, how was the school? Do you have a pain? No pain. Like she was going to ask a million questions, and if you count on the father, so you're very bad shape. I mean, most of the father, right? But women are very curious people, Baruch Hashem. But we have a rule that beautiful the Jewish lady is inside of the tent, not the outside. So she went to see what non-Jews of the world are doing, and she got into the situation. So is it okay for a man to be curious? So for women, I mean curiosity, but like around your family. I care about the family, not curiosity what other people are doing. So because they never was a time in the history that they were doing something positive for us. I mean, we try to stay away from them. That's one thing. But for men, is it okay to be curious? I mean, if you're curious, like in the Torah learning, and they say, oh, there is a source. It says that, but it's not complete. You know, I have to go inside and see what it says. Yeah, this curiosity is good, but curiosity was like about like I don't know, like how market is doing, who is going to be a president, and who is not going to be a president, or this and that. So like that's not healthy. So right. So is like the bottom line. If it's like for if like this curiosity is spent on a Torah learning, on a family, that's very good. But if it's for a wasteful or waste time reasons, so it's not good. Right.